Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Channel for Beginners, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Julia.
Hello, Julia, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. I am so happy to be here today.
I am happy you are here too, James. You look ready to talk, but also a little worried.
That is true. I am ready, but I have a problem today.
Oh, really? What is the problem?
I wanted to tell my neighbor something in English this morning. I knew the word yesterday, but this morning it ran away.
The word ran away?
Yes, it packed a small bag and left my brain.
That is a funny way to say it, but I know that feeling.
I was standing there and saying, the thing, the small thing, the thing for the door.
You mean the key?
Yes, key. A very simple word, but in that moment, my brain was empty.
That is very normal, James. Many English learners forget words when they speak.
Really? Even easy words?
Yes, even easy words. Speaking is different from reading or listening. When you speak, your brain has to think fast.
That makes me feel better. I thought my brain was broken.
Your brain is not broken. It is just busy. And that is our topic today, how to stop forgetting words when speaking.
I love this topic. I need it today.
It is very useful because learners often know many words, but they cannot remember them quickly in conversation.
Exactly. The words are in my head, but they hide when people look at me.
Today, we will learn simple ways to bring those words back.
Good. Do you have a secret trick for this too?
Yes, I do. I will share it near the end.
Okay, I will wait. My lost words are waiting too.
First, let's understand why we forget words when speaking.
Yes, please. Why does it happen?
One reason is pressure.
Pressure. What does that mean?
Pressure means you feel pushed or nervous. You think, I must speak correctly now.
Oh, yes. When someone asks me a question, I feel pressure.
Exactly. Your heart may beat faster. Your mind may go too fast. Then a simple word becomes hard to find.
That happens to me. Someone says, "How was your day?" and suddenly I forget the word good.
That is very common. So the first lesson is this: calm down before you search for the word.
How can I calm down in a conversation?
Use a pause phrase.
Pause phrase. What does that mean?
It is a small sentence you say when you need time.
Can you give an example?
Sure. You can say, "Let me think for a second."
Let me think for a second.
Another one is, "What is the word?"
What is the word?
And another useful phrase is, "I know this word, but I need a moment."
I know this word, but I need a moment.
Excellent. These phrases give your brain time.
That sounds useful, right?
Very useful. And they sound natural. Everyone forgets words sometimes, even in their first language.
That is good news. My brain feels less alone.
Your brain has many friends.
Julia, sometimes I forget a word because I only learned it one time.
That is a very good point. One time is usually not enough.
I see a new word in a video and I think, great, I know it now.
But knowing a word once is not the same as owning it.
Owning it? Like it is my word?
Yes, when you own a word, you can use it easily in your own sentence.
So how do I own a word?
Learn it in a sentence, not alone.
Not alone. What do you mean?
For example, do not only learn the word appointment. Learn, I have an appointment tomorrow.
I have an appointment tomorrow.
Good. Now the word has a home. The sentence is the home.
Ah, I like that. Words need homes?
Exactly. If you learn a word in a sentence, it stays better.
Like my key word. I should learn, I can't find my key.
Perfect. Now key feels more real.
It is in a real-life situation.
That is the goal. Real-life English helps memory.
Memory. That means the ability to remember?
Yes, exactly. Your memory likes meaning, stories, and use.
My memory does not like long word lists.
Many learners feel the same.
I once wrote 50 new words in a notebook.
Wow. Did you remember them?
I remembered the title, New Words. That was all.
Oh, James.
The words looked beautiful on paper, but they did not come into my mouth.
That is because writing a list is only the first step. You need to say the words, hear them, and use them.
Say, hear, and use. I can remember that.
Now, let's talk about another problem. Sometimes learners try to find the perfect word.
Oh, yes, I do that.
What happens then?
I stop speaking, I look at the wall, I wait for the perfect word to come like a movie star.
And does it come?
Usually no. It is late.
So here is an important idea. You do not always need the perfect word.
I don't?
No, you can use a simple word.
Can you give an example?
If you forget the word delicious, you can say very good.
Oh, yes, the food is very good.
Exactly. If you forget expensive, you can say it costs a lot.
It costs a lot.
If you forget exhausted, you can say very tired.
I am very tired.
Perfect. Simple English is strong English.
That helps a lot. I always think I need a big word.
Big words are nice, but communication is more important.
It is not about perfect grammar. It is about communication.
Exactly. And it is not about perfect vocabulary either.
Vocabulary means words, right?
Yes, vocabulary means the words you know and use.
So if I forget one vocabulary word, I can explain it with other words.
Yes, that is a powerful skill.
Skill means something you can learn to do?
Exactly. Explaining around a forgotten word is a speaking skill.
Explaining around. I like that.
For example, if you forget umbrella, you can say, it is the thing you use when it rains.
That is easy.
I once heard a learner forget spoon and say, small soup shovel.
Small soup shovel. That is very creative.
Yes, and the person understood. Sometimes a funny mistake makes the word stay forever.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Yes, please. It helps us a lot. And we have a small task for you.
If you are still listening, comment the word words below.
Yes, write words in the comments. It shows us you are practicing and staying with us.
Words. I hope my words stay with me today.
They will, James. Now let's continue. Another reason people forget words is that they do not practice speaking enough.
But I listen to English a lot.
Listening is very important, but speaking is a different muscle.
Speaking muscle? Like the gym?
Yes, your mouth, your brain, and your memory need speaking practice.
So listening is like watching someone exercise.
Good example. It helps, but you also need to move.
My mouth needs to move.
Exactly. So choose 5 useful words and speak with them.
Only 5?
Yes, 5 useful words are better than 50 silent words.
50 silent words. That sounds like my notebook.
Then make your notebook speak.
How?
Take one word and make 3 simple sentences.
Let's try.
Okay, the word is forget.
I forget words when I speak.
Good.
I forgot my phone yesterday.
Very good.
Please don't forget to call me.
Excellent. Now that word is stronger in your memory.
I feel it. It is easier after 3 sentences.
Yes, repetition with meaning is powerful.
Repetition means doing something again?
Exactly, but not boring repetition, meaningful repetition.
What does meaningful mean?
It means it has a clear purpose or feeling. It means something to you.
So I should make sentences about my real life.
Yes, your life is the best textbook.
Wow, my life is cheaper than a textbook.
And very useful.
I can say, I forgot my umbrella because I really did last week.
Perfect. That sentence will stay because it is your story.
And I got very wet, so I will remember it forever. Julia, what about when I remember a word at home but not outside?
That happens because the place is different.
The place matters?
Yes. If you only practice at your desk, your brain connects the word to the desk.
Oh, my English lives on my desk.
Maybe. So practice in different places.
Like where?
In your room, in the kitchen, while walking, or before sleeping.
Can I practice while washing dishes?
Yes, you can say, I am washing a plate. The water is warm.
That is simple but real.
Exactly. Daily actions help daily English.
So real-life moments can help me remember words.
Yes, you are training your brain to find words when you really need them.
Training means practicing to get better?
Exactly. Another helpful idea is to group words.
Group words? Like put them in families?
Yes, exactly. Words are easier to remember when they have friends.
Word friends. I like that.
For example, for food, you can group cook, eat, hungry, breakfast, dinner, restaurant.
For speaking English, word, sentence, repeat, question, answer.
Perfect. If words are organized, they are easier to find.
Like a clean room.
Exactly. If your vocabulary is messy, you cannot find your words.
So I should learn words I really need first.
Yes. Start with your work, your family, your food, and your day.
Julia, sometimes I forget words because I am afraid of silence.
That is a very honest point.
Silence feels long. 1 second feels like 1 hour.
I know that feeling, but short silence is normal in conversation.
Really? I always think the other person is waiting and judging me.
Usually, they are just listening. You can use a calm phrase.
Like what?
Give me a second.
Give me a second.
I'm trying to remember the word.
I'm trying to remember the word.
Let me say it another way.
Let me say it another way.
Excellent. These phrases are like bridges.
Bridges?
Yes, they help you cross from silence to speaking.
I like that. A phrase bridge.
Exactly. When you forget a word, do not panic. Use a bridge.
Panic means feel very scared suddenly?
Yes, and panic makes memory weaker.
So calm makes memory stronger.
Exactly. Calm helps words come back.
Can I say, sorry, I lost the word?
Yes, that is natural. You can say, sorry, I lost the word.
Sorry, I lost the word.
Very good. It sounds honest and simple.
Oh, Julia, you mentioned a secret trick at the beginning.
I did. Are you ready for it?
I am very ready. My words are sitting quietly and listening.
Good. The secret is called the describe and continue trick.
Describe and continue. What does that mean?
When you forget a word, do not stop. Describe the word with simple English and continue your sentence.
So I do not wait for the perfect word?
Exactly. You use the words you have.
Can you show me?
Sure. Imagine you forget the word wallet. You can say, the small thing where I keep my money and cards.
And the other person says, wallet?
Yes. Then you say, yes, wallet, thank you.
That is easy.
Another example, you forget stairs. You say, the thing you walk on to go up in a building.
Stairs.
Exactly.
And if I forget headache, I can say, my head hurts.
Perfect. Very simple and very clear.
Wow. This trick is like a life jacket.
Yes, it keeps your conversation alive.
Describe and continue.
Good. Let's practice one more. You forget charger.
It is the thing I use to put power in my phone.
Excellent. Charger.
Charger, yes. My phone needs it every day, and so do I.
Maybe coffee is your charger.
That is very true.
This trick teaches you that you can speak even with simple words.
That makes me feel free.
Good. You do not need every word. You need a way to continue.
Exactly. That is the heart of today's lesson.
Well, everyone, that is the end of our episode today.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation about how to stop forgetting words when speaking.
Yes, today we learned that forgetting words is normal.
We talked about pressure and how it can make our mind go blank.
We learned useful pause phrases like, let me think for a second.
And I know this word, but I need a moment.
We learned to study words inside sentences.
We learned that simple words are enough many times.
We talked about speaking practice, word groups, real-life practice, and phrase bridges.
And we learned the secret trick, describe and continue.
Exactly. If you forget a word, describe it with simple English and keep speaking.
Before you go, we want to hear from you.
Yes. Tell us in the comments, what English word do you often forget when you speak?
And remember, comment the word words below if you are still here with us.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to English Channel for Beginners.
Share this episode with a friend who is learning English and wants to speak more confidently.
Thank you so much for listening and practicing with us today.
Keep learning slowly, keep speaking simply, and do not be afraid of forgotten words.
Your words will come back with practice.
Until next time, keep practicing and stay brave.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.